Hey guys, David LeBlanc here. Everybody calls me DJ. So here's a little bit about me, and then I'll jump into my creativity within the classroom setting. So here we go. Let's do it. Uh, so I was born and raised Rotterdam, New York. It's upstate. It's about 3 hours outside of New York City. I currently live in Scotia, which is about 5 to 10 minutes away from where I live. There we are, right there on the map. I attended Mahonison, which is in Rotterdam. Then I went to the College of St. Rose, located in Albany. I went all 4 years there. Played soccer. I also played basketball there. And sports have been a big part of my life. I currently am a 7th and 8th grade social studies teacher at KIPP Albany, so downtown Albany. I'm the 7th grade chairperson, also a modified basketball coach, and student council advisor, so I stay a little bit busy. As far as my creativity in the classroom, for a history teacher, I try to make it very, very engaging. I try to spice it up as much as I possibly can. One of my favorite things I do is I actually do a scavenger hunt within my classroom using different QR codes that I make. I make the QR codes. I use they attach to primary and secondary sources. The students have tablets. They go around. They scan the code. Then they'll answer a series of questions while looking at the primary source or the secondary source. It gets them out of their seat. It adds that technology aspect, which is always engaging and fun for the students. Have a Bitmoji classroom, which I usually throw in for everything that we're doing since we're hybrid model right now. I also have created a YouTube channel, which you can see down here, where I take snippets of each of my lessons. I summarize them into like bite-sized pieces based on what I'm teaching. So here we are right here. I call them the history takeaways. I try to get them in 5 minutes or less. Some of them are obviously a little bit longer based on the lesson, but I use Canva. I incorporate pictures, maps, whatever I'm discussing in the time. And there they are. The other thing that I really like to do a lot, I've really used to like Webquest and creating Webquest using Google Forms and things like that. But now what I'm actually doing is I'm using Google Sites to create Webquest where everything is embedded just on the site. So the students will click here, they'll get all their questions, and they correspond with all of the specific sources. So I have primary, secondary source readings, images, a variety of both, things that past students have done, so on and so forth. Anything that I can do just to make that curriculum a little bit more engaging to the students is usually key. All right, well, I'm looking forward to a great semester with everybody. All right.